Problem number 3. Write a program where you need to ask of users height in meters, convert meters into feet, then at the end print the final output where we need to convert the string into integer. Well, this is the third problem in our daily life. It is a simple daily life problem. You have to write a program which keeps input function and data conversion. You need to ask the user's height in meters and then convert meters into feet. And then finally at the end you'll need to take the print. And then at the end you'll need to take the print of the final output where we need to convert the string into integer. I repeat it, it is a very simple program where you have to ask the user's height in meters, convert meters into feet, and then show the final output with the data conversion where we need to convert the string into integer. So we are going to use input functions and the data conversion here. It is not restricted to a specific solution. You can design in any way. You can give your own pattern as long as you get the solution for this problem. There might be different solution with a different way. Try to use the simple and the short solution here. Height in meter equals to input of what is your height in meters, and then with a space. Height in feet equals to height in meter times 3.28, and then take the print of height in feet. When you run the program, at first stage you will get what is your height in meters. As you plug in the height, which is 1.9 meters, and then press the enter, you will get the type error. What kind of type error? Cannot multiply sequence by non-integer of type float. This is the type error. Look what I did. I took the first identifier, which is height in meter. It equals to input of what is your height in meters with a space. And then the second identifier was height in feet. Height in feet equals to height in meter times 3.28. When you multiply the meter by 3.28, you will get it in feet. Then take the print of the second identifier, which is print of height in feet. As you run the program, at the very first stage you will get this line, what is your height in the meters? What is your height in the meters for the first identifier? With a space here, remember, because we have space. I plugged 1.9 meters. Then as I pressed the enter buttons, I got the type error here. What kind of type? The error says that cannot multiply sequence by non-integer of type float. It is a non-integer. Height in meter is a string. It is a non-integer expression. So you cannot multiply a non-integer, which is a string, by the float number. First you need to convert this term into integer. Only then it is possible to multiply it by 3.28. Let's do it. Look, this time I took the height in feet equals to integer of height in meter times 3.28. As I took the print of height in feet, at the final output I got what is your height in meters, plug 1.9 meters, and then press the enter button. You will get 6.232. It is 6.232 feet. So we have used the input function and also we did the data conversion. We converted the string into integer. If you remember last time, we had only height in meter times 3.28, which is a non-integer. Non-integer means that it is a string. You need to convert it into integer. To do so, you have to use the int function here, int of height in meter. Now, it is no more a string. It is the integer. So it is possible to multiply integer by 3.28. So when you run the program, at the very first stage you will get what is your height in meters. As you plug 1.9 and then press the enter button, you will get 6.232, which is feet. So we have converted meters into feet here. From 1.9 meters we got 6.232 feet. So it is a simple daily life problem. You can solve many problems using the input functions and the data conversion.